Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best sticky pad is probably one of the most underappreciated car accessories, until it fails. Over time, the adhesive on your car mount sticky pad can lose its grip, especially in extreme temperatures or after repeated use. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and replacing your car mount sticky pad, ensuring your phone stays securely in place while you drive. Number 5. Volport 3M Adhesive Replacement for Phone Holders. This is a replacement adhesive kit for your phone holder. It includes multiple adhesive strips for various applications, such as car dash holders and finger holders. You can easily position it on a flat surface. These extra strong adhesive dots are designed for collapsible grips and switchable tops. They are heat resistant, making them perfect for use in hot climates. You won't need to buy new mounts. Before applying the adhesive, clean the surface thoroughly. Make sure the mounting surface is completely clean and dry. This will ensure a strong and lasting bond for your phone holder. Remove the old adhesive and clean the surface. Then, apply the new adhesive and press firmly for 5 minutes. Wait 24 hours before using it for the best results. You'll receive multiple adhesive patches and cleaning pads. The small adhesive replacements are designed for magnetic mounts, while the larger ones are for socket grips. This extends the life of your mounts. What we like. This product comes with multiple adhesive strips, making it versatile for various applications. It's specifically designed for magnetic mounts, ensuring a secure hold. If you have multiple devices or mounts, this is a great choice. It also extends the lifespan of your existing mounts, saving you money in the long run. What people say. The sticky pad is a perfect replacement for my car mount. It holds the phone securely even on bumpy roads. The adhesive is strong and durable. Number 4. APPS 2 Car Suction Cup Mount Pad. Tired of your suction cup mount failing? This pad provides a smooth surface for a stronger hold. It ensures your device stays securely in place. Featuring upgraded 3M sticky tapes, this pad offers enhanced adhesion. It's designed to work effectively with your suction cup mounts. With a 2.76-inch diameter, it fits most GPS and phone holders. This makes it a versatile solution for various devices. No tools are needed for installation. Simply stick it onto your dashboard for immediate use. It's quick and hassle-free. Remember to apply it to a clean, dry surface. It's designed for one-time use, so ensure proper placement. Press firmly for at least 10 seconds for optimal adhesion. What we like. This product provides a smooth, glass-like surface for your suction cup mounts. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools. If you're looking for a simple solution to improve the performance of your suction cup mounts, this is the one for you. What people say. These are a lot better than the ones that come with mounts. Adhesion is a lot better. They are not very thick, but are very sturdy. I have replaced 2 of the ones that came with other mounts. These hold a lot better and the suction cup sticks better. Let them sit for 24 hours before use. It does make a difference. Also clean the area with alcohol for a good stick. They work well. If I need more I will get these again. Worked as they should. Super sticky and stayed where I put them. Bought these at the same time as I bought a stick-on suction phone holder for the car, in case I needed to move the base, or the OEM pad that came with it gave up the ghost in the Australian sun. The one I've used has done exactly what it needed to, stick firmly to the dash and allowed the phone holder to be repositioned, and is still going strong a year later. Does what it was bought for. Number 3. AZXYI Adhesive Pads Replacement Kit. Introducing the AZXYI Adhesive Pads Replacement Kit. This kit provides a solution for your car mount needs. It's designed to securely hold your devices. The kit includes 6 clear adhesive pads. You can use them to replace worn-out pads or for new installations. They are designed to work with various car mounts. Installation is simple. First, clean the surface. Then, apply the adhesive and let it set for 24 hours before use. You can cut the pads to fit your specific needs. They are compatible with most suction cup mounts and other devices. It offers flexibility for different setups. These pads provide a very high bond. They resist heat and moisture. When you need to remove it, it comes off easily without leaving residue. What we like. This product offers clear adhesive pads, maintaining a clean look. You can cut it to any size you need, making it adaptable to various mounts. If you want a strong, versatile, and easy-to-use adhesive solution, this is your best bet. What people say. These were a little bit larger than my amount, but I just simply cut it out the extra. No, while the peel-off part are easy to come off, don't be fooled to think that because the tabs are easy peeled off that these adhesive are not strong. I actually applied this to my amount and to my dash and wiggled pretty hard, and there is no wiggle at all. Very, very sturdy, very sticky. This is exactly what I need. Great, super sticky. So far holds up in the heat, which was my problem with my old mount. Place the new sticky pad on phone holder and it works like a charm. Number 2. 3-pack suction cup mounting discs. Are you frustrated with suction cups that won't stick? This product provides a reliable solution. It creates a flat surface for your devices, ensuring they stay in place. This mounting disc works with various devices. It's perfect for dash cameras, GPS units, tablets, and phone mounts. It's designed to work with most suction cup devices. The discs use a powerful 3M VHB adhesive. It's heat-resistant and waterproof, so it can withstand extreme temperatures. This ensures a secure hold, even in hot weather. Installation is simple and straightforward. Clean the surface with the included wipes, apply the disc, and wait. After a short time, you can mount your device. Each disc is designed for one-time use. Make sure the surface is flat for the best results. Allow the adhesive to cure for 24 to 48 hours before applying. Wait for a stronger bond. You'll receive 3 mounting discs, wipes, and the user manual. The discs have a strong adhesive on one side and a smooth surface for your suction cup on the other. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. What we like. This product is heat resistant, perfect for hot climates. It boasts extra strong adhesion, ensuring your devices stay in place. If you live in a hot area and need a reliable mount, this is the ideal choice. What people say. These are definitely strong and will hold heavier items on a flat surface. Works great, especially if you purchase a cell phone holder for your dashboard. The heavier ones with the telescopic bar and truly are too heavy to clip onto your AC vents. Works as it should. Adheres securely to a textured dash to make a smooth surface for suction cup mount to grip on. Number 1. Volport 2.76 inches adhesive discs. This adhesive disc is designed to work with a wide range of suction cup accessories. It's perfect for your dashboard, windshield, and more. It provides a reliable solution for keeping your devices secure. These pads use genuine 3M adhesive, known for its high temperature resistance. You can trust it to hold strong, even in hot weather. The strong stickiness ensures your devices stay in place. Installation is simple, just clean the surface and apply the adhesive. Remember to wait 24 hours before use for maximum adhesion. This will ensure it sticks properly. When you need to remove it, it comes off easily without leaving residue. It won't damage your dashboard surface. This makes it a convenient replacement for your car accessories. The package includes 2 adhesive discs, cleaning pads, and a user manual. We also offer a 1-year warranty. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This product offers universal compatibility, fitting a wide range of devices. It has high temperature resistance, perfect for hot weather. If you want an easy-to-remove adhesive that won't damage your dashboard, this is the perfect solution. What people say. These work great. I live in Texas, and it gets so hot that my phone holder loses its stickiness. This was a great replacement and holds up well. This has been great. Purchased 3 years ago to hold my dash cam to the windshield. My truck sits outdoors year-round in the Florida sun and heat. Finally failed after 3 years, just applied the second one. I expect it will hold quite well as well. Dash cam kept falling in my 2002 Tacoma. These babies have kept it in place for months so far with 0 falls. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.